Hi, Daniel here from Ablestar, and thanks for tuning in to this month's product updates. Spring is in the air for those of you in the Northern Hemisphere, and we've got a couple new things to share that should make bulk editing your products even easier. Let's get started. We've updated the app so it's possible to publish your products to all the different sales channels on your store directly in the app. Before we could do this with the online store or the point of sale app. Now you can choose any sales channel that you see in the app, including Google or the Shop app itself. One thing to note here is that in the preview, you will not see the old value if it's been published or not. But when you run the edit, we still will capture that previous value and save it so you can undo the edit as you would any other edits. Hopefully this makes it easier to manage products across the different sales channels, such as Google Shopping or the Shop app. Shopify will show you the profit margin for a product if you've entered in the cost and the price field for that product. Now you can use Ablestar Bulk Product Editor to search for products by that profit margin. Just select it from the ad filter and choose the range that you want to search for. With merchants that we've spoken to, this has been especially helpful for trying to optimize sales where you can target the products maybe that have the highest margin on your store so you can promote those. Finally, we've added a rerun button to the edit detail page, and what this will do is it will start a new edit with the exact same search and modifications of the previous edit. This is useful if you have some tasks that you might want to run on a somewhat repeating basis. We would recommend you can rename the edit to something more descriptive and then add it to favorites. Anytime then you want to run this edit, you would just go to History, choose Favorites, open it up, and click on Rerun. If you do want to make some modifications to the edit, as before, you can always go to Clone Edit, which will make a copy of the edit, and you can go through there and change the specific modifications. But in simple cases, just clicking on the Rerun edit should make things a lot faster for you. Those were our highlights from the last month. Looking forward to May, we'll be attending several in-person Shopify events. This includes Shopify's Editions.dev event in Toronto. But don't worry, we'll still be hard at work improving our apps and making them easier for you to use. See you next time.